Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. Today I wanted to discuss when do you think IT market will become normal again? Okay, if you really read the IT news, then you will see every year IT market comes out with some doomsday news. And I've been seeing this since 2008. And why? Because since 2008, because before 2008 I had my own software company. So at that point of time, I did not look at all this news. But every year during the appraisal period, especially between January and April, there will be certain news of automation is going to kill jobs, or because of automation, a lot of people are getting laid off, or any kind of negative news will come out during this appraisal period. Okay, but if you look at the balance sheet of IT companies, the balance sheet of IT companies has not gone down. Okay, so IT companies are the IT is one industry which is surviving even this pandemic, equivalent to the medical companies, equivalent to the pharmacy companies. Like at this moment, suddenly the pharmacy companies have all come up on the top, and everybody is thinking, oh, this industry is uh, remaining on the top. No, but if you see the IT companies, it's not, no company has just said that, okay, we are going bankrupt or whatever. And I'm talking of the top IT companies. Okay. So it's not so negative. Yes, a lot of companies must have closed down, smaller IT companies, small to medium, who are not able to get projects or whatever, because what has happened is a lot of companies in the US and across the world shifted their project from individual small companies to really big IT companies, because they thought that these companies can survive and the smaller companies cannot survive, and they didn't want to come into that problem. Because of that, a lot of projects shifted to bigger IT companies. So if you are working in some of the large IT companies, anywhere where the number of people in the company are more than 500 to about 1,000 or whatever, then it is good. Small IT companies, especially like 20 people, 30 people teams, these will face a real bad problem in this time. Okay. Uh, so Warrior Warlord, you are a student, right? Or you are a fresher? So I think maybe you are a fresher, but IT companies are normal. You decide how you enhance your skill to a level that all these things don't matter to you. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so yeah, Warrior, you are a fresher in IT company. So don't worry about IT market becoming normal. If you don't read news, then you will not come to know much. Okay, companies tell that, okay, we are not going to give appraisal because there is a problem, but the problem is not with the company. The problem is outside the company. They are only trying to have a lot of cash so that they can survive longer. Look, if your company has a lot of cash, then it can survive a long period of time, and that is very important. Okay, and otherwise you can interact with me on my channel. On my channel, on any video, if you put a comment, I will reply to that comment. Okay, I'll reply to that comment. Even if I will answer that question in live, I will still go ahead and reply to your comment, because I feel when you ask the question, I should immediately help you as far as possible. At this moment, I get about 3 to 4 comments every day, so I reply to it. If I start getting 100, 200 comments, then it will become a little bit different, and then we will see how to handle that. Okay, so thank you very much. Spread this channel around. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you get the next notification. Thank you very much. Stay focused and stay rich.